As a revenue cycle professional working on behalf of a provider, we realize that times are difficult. You are constrained by staffing challenges, an EHR that doesn't give you the reports or the workflow that you want, and lots of demands and expectations for you to collect every dollar the first time with the minimal amount of touches possible. You need tools beyond your EHR and spreadsheet to make this work. That's where Lockbox AI comes into play. We sit on top of your EHR for you and your team to work out of. We've got a number of features that we bring to the table, but we also bring an RCM copilot, a human-enabled service working inside of Lockbox to help you make the most out of the application. This includes analytics, workflow, and optionally automation that we can work inside your EHR, clearinghouse, and other third-party sites to accomplish high-volume activities. And our RCM copilot will work inside the system and work with you to make sure that you're getting the most benefit possible and actually improving performance. Inside the system, you've got configured dashboards, which we will tailor to the needs of your operation and your specialty, as well as the ability to run ad hoc dashboards. Just by typing or saying what you want to see, it will generate a dashboard back to you showing you your data. No data is ever leaving our system to go to any third-party LLM. We just use that to translate what you ask for to how we configure our data. Then we also deliver insight discovery. We come with hundreds of flags and calculations and predictions, and we are always adding more based on your recommendations and what we see across our client base to identify opportunities for you to improve your workflow, either upstream or downstream, depending on where the opportunity might lie. And we introduce performance tracking, not just the basics of AR days, but every single metrics we can apply performance tracking to, so you can see week over week and month over month how you and your team are doing while we coach you along the process. You'll be able to manage workflow, grouping accounts that need to be worked, as well as suggesting the next best action. We can suggest exactly the right thing to do in some cases and generally what to do in other cases. And we continue to fine tune this with you, with the RCM Copilot working with your team. You can manage projects. So think things outside of working individual accounts like enrollment or credentialing or changing systems or specialty projects for batches of accounts that are sort of outside the normal revenue cycle workflow. Those are easily tracked as well. And your team can collaborate. This allows you and your team, and sometimes vendors, if you have them engaged, to work hand in hand through the application so you're not waiting on weekly or monthly meetings to sync up and ask questions about individual accounts, making things real time. All of this is accessible both on a desktop as well as from mobile. So you as an executive, you can see anything you want and ask questions of your data and drill down and see production and productivity right from your mobile phone. So you're always accessing fingertip level information whenever you want it. And optionally, RPA integration to go support high volume activities that warrant automation. We can help you build that and integrate tools you may have already purchased so that Lockbox becomes the hub of that automation. We are here to help revenue cycle directors and their teams be more successful at an affordable price with effective results. We can even do performance-based pricing with our copilot involved to help you exceed expectations and really drive performance results. We look forward to having more conversations. Thank you.